Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to start live stream in Facebook. Let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook app. Then click what's on your mind. Then swipe down a little and then click on live video. You'll see that your camera is opened. There are a lot of features in Facebook live video. You can also add filters in Facebook live video by clicking on the top left option. Then you can select any type of filter if you want to. After this, click on this button to turn on or off flashlight, or if you want to change camera from front to back if you want to change. You could also mute your voice by clicking on this button. You could also add your friends to your live stream by clicking on the bottom left corner. Then select your friends and then click on Done. By clicking on this button, you can add your live stream title, description, or you can schedule your live stream. You can also add your location by clicking on the bottom right 3 lines button and then click on Check-in. You can select your location or you can search one. If you want to enhance your voice, click on Voice Enhancements and you can reduce background noise and enhance your voice. That's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.